Hey, it's Rich Tehrani with TMC. We're at the IT Expo Tech Super Show, 39th one. We have 300 exhibitors, over 250 speakers, and we expect 7,500 people. It's going to be a great week here in Fort Lauderdale, and our program is Siva Juturi. He is with AutomationEdge. Siva, welcome to the show. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, Rich. It was a pleasure to be here in this conference.
Yeah, thrilled to have you. So what do you guys do at AutomationEdge?
Well, AutomationEdge is what we call it as hyper-automation platform, which has capabilities across the board. Specifically for MSPs, we are coming up with an offering in this conference where it has capabilities to automate workload for IT support and infrastructure. And also, it not only increases the revenue for MSPs in terms of top line, but also improves their bottom line. So MSPs can leverage this to do their business operations automation too, apart from just IT operations.
Fantastic. So, is it an entire replacement of the internal tools that they're using now?
Yeah. So basically, what MSPs typically do is either they use mainly human workforce to support their customers. So a typical MSP would be, average mid-size MSP will have, let's say, 300 to 500 employees, and they will have about 1,000 customers, and these employees are just hard-pressed in terms of doing those repetitive tasks to support the IT infrastructure for those mid-sized customers. So what those MSP do is they use these point solutions for remote monitoring management, or for password resets, or for doing those regular tasks to support end users to software provisioning, or infrastructure workloads like storage, servers, etc. So what our solution provides is it provides a complete stack of automation solutions, a one-stop shop, including a conversational solution for IT, where you can have a chatbot interacting with the end user and the technicians as well.
And how much programming do these chatbots have to be effective?
Well, we have something called AI Studio, which is our artificial intelligence-based engine to create conversations, which are predefined, where we can identify intent and action based on what the end user interacts. They're already loaded into the engine. We have ingested millions of tickets data from customers from different verticals, different geographies, including multi-language support. We support English, French, German, including Spanish, all the global premier languages, so that these conversations can interpret the intent and perform the respective action as well, in terms of resolution of the issues.
And probably 40% of all those tickets, basically the text says, "Have you tried rebooting?" Right? That's the first thing.
Exactly, the good old Microsoft way, right? You say, "Do you see a green screen?" Okay, just reboot the server. So especially on that note, I think, Rich, I'm glad you brought that up. We have a very specific offering around health checks, right, for infrastructure. Not only for the end user machines, but also the health check of the entire infrastructure. So we provide dashboards that will provide the health of the systems proactively for any performance issues or any vulnerabilities from a security standpoint, because that's a big thing nowadays, where companies can go belly up just because they have a hack. So we are providing those proactive health checks as part of our service to those MSPs, so they can leverage, so that they can proactively monitor their environments.
So you're really making them a lot more efficient.
Absolutely, absolutely. So one way to look at it is that they're going to improve in terms of dollar savings, where they can reduce those man hours that can be performed by human workforce by automating, we call as bots. And the other is improving the SLAs to their business, because their contracts are today structured in terms of either number of transactions they support, number of tickets to resolve, or number of FTEs, where they charge premium on a fixed price or fixed on per month or a per year basis. So we are providing a catalyst for them so that they can improve their bottom line. At the same time, we are also throwing another offering. We can then sell automation to the customer too, as a toolkit outside of IT for the business, where the MSPs can make money off of it of growing the business side, where the revenue and the sales can grow for the end customer, not only for the MSPs.
Very exciting. Is there anything new coming out or anything that we should know about?
Yeah, so this conference exclusively we are launching what we call accelerator kit for MSPs. That includes a sales dashboard to monitor the performance of the MSPs. Also, we are having a health check accelerator kit. Then we have our conversational IT solution that's going to come in very handy. We are also going to throw in an offering where MSPs can have a free trial for first 60 days on our platform, so they can leverage in this conference. And we have some nice gifts, giveaways too. So have them come over to booth number 365.
Excellent. For those people that are watching this video after the show, how do they find you?
Well, we have a couple of ways. One is our website. Our www.automationedge.com is the best way to find us. The other way is we are on the leading MSP forums across the board, where we have registered ourselves as a member, so they can find there too. We are also a thought leadership in various IT ops, ITSM, and AI ops forums as well, so they can find there as well. And if they want to find me, my email is siva.juturi@automationedge.com, and my number is 281-650-1256.
Excellent. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you so much, Rich. It was a pleasure talking to you.